With our goblin makeup in place, the next thing we're going to be doing for our goblin costume is something involving fingers. While not all goblins have claws necessarily, some of them certainly do. And an easy way to accomplish this effect is by getting some extendable fingers. You can find these at a lot of various stores, although you may have to break down and go to a costume store if you can't find them elsewhere. So these will generally come in 10-finger packets, which are great. You simply put them on the end of your finger like so, and they easily come off. So if you get hot or anything, you want to take a break from them, stretch your fingers, no problem. And then you can slip that guy right back on. So you should only have to buy one packet of these. They're not that expensive. They're relatively inexpensive. What's more, a lot of the times they come flesh colored, so they will come close to blending into your hand. If you have a black robe coming up all the way to your wrist, you're essentially not going to have to do anything more on your hands unless you want to. You could always do some makeup, but with the extendable fingers on here, the extension fingers, you're not going to have to worry about anything else.